Assalamu alaikum girls. Please open your computer books because we are going to study about MS 2013 window. So MS Word 2013 window. So please open your books on page number 68. Today we are going to study about the various parts of the Word 2013 window, and as and the first part we are going to study about is dialog box launcher. It is a small icon that appears in some groups. So if we click this icon, a dialog box opens related to that group. So where is that box? We are going to find out the dialog box launcher. The dialog box is a new window that pops up and it has options that you can select as per your choice. Now the second one is zoom control. The zoom control can be used by clicking, holding and dragging the slider. The number to the right of the slider bar reflects the zoom percentage. Now see here, this is the dialog box launcher, very small icon. There are many dialog box launcher. This is also a dialog box launcher. This is also a dialog box launcher, and this is also a dialog box launcher. Okay, so these dialog box launcher, they give you new windows and new options. And this is the zoom control. The zoom control here is the percentage which is written at the right of the zoom control. So if you are going to zoom in, the percentage is more. If you are going to zoom out, the percentage is less. Now ribbon display options. Click on this button. The ribbon display option gives you options to hide the ribbon, hide the ribbon, show ribbon tabs only, and show ribbon tabs and commands both. So we have to find out the ribbon display option. This one is the ribbon display option. These all are the ribbon display options. All of these are the ribbon display options. You can hide them or you can also let them show. Now if the ribbon is hidden, click at the top of the window to show it. Yes, so we can show it and we can unshow it also. Editing means making changes to your text. Word provides you with the tools to edit your text. Now editing means changing the text. Whatever we are typing, we can change it. In some cases, you need to select text before you can make changes. So let us learn how to do it. Text can be selected using the mouse or the keyboard. Okay, so we want to select the text. If we want to select the text, we can use a mouse also, and we can use keyboard also. Place the cursor to the left of the first character to be selected. So left of the first character, like left of the first character means here alphabet. Whatever you are typing, you have to you have to take the cursor to the left of it, then press the left mouse button. Which one? Left mouse button, and drag the mouse to the position where you want to stop selecting. So see, you put the actually you have to put the cursor here, and then you have to drag it where, from left to from right to from left to right. Okay, now your text is selected and now it is the gray bar. Okay, now it becomes like this gray, it becomes gray like this here. Okay, you have to place the cursor here and then drag the mouse to the position where you want to stop selecting, and this is how you select. Now you release the mouse, and then what happens, there is a gray section. The selected text gets highlighted in gray, and you can also use the selection bar to select the text. The selection bar is the space between the left edge of the page where the text begins. So they are teaching you how to use the selection bar with the help of mouse. First, you have, if you want to select a word, you double click the word. If you want to select a line of text, you click the selection bar to the left of the line. If you want to select multiple lines of text, click and drag in the selection bar to the left of the lines. If you want to select a paragraph, you double click the selection bar or triple click anywhere in the paragraph. A sentence, if you want to select a sentence, you press and hold Control and click anywhere in the sentence. If you want to edit entire document, triple click the selection bar. Now select text using a keyboard. How will you select the text using a keyboard? You can even select text using the keys on your keyboard. First, place the cursor to the left of the first character and then use the following key combinations. The first one is one character to the left, shift plus arrow to the left, arrow to the left. One character to the right, shift plus arrow to right. There is a shift button in your keyboard. You have to press the shift button and some arrows. So for the right arrow. For one line up, shift plus one line up. For one line down, shift plus the down arrow. And for one line up, shift plus the arrow which points upward. To the end of the current line, shift plus end. And to the beginning of the current line, shift plus home. To the end of the current document, you have to, when you want to select the whole text, to till the end of the document, you hold shift in the keyboard, then control, then end. So three buttons. Okay, to the beginning of the document you have to hold shift plus control plus home, and for entire documents control plus A. Okay, so this is how you select with the help of keyboard. So now open the Word document. You can see here so many things. First of all is the file tab. So this is the file tab, this one here, this one is the file tab, this one. Okay, this one is the file tab, and then you have to see this is actually the quick access bar, and if this all is the ribbon, this is the ribbon, and the title bar is this one. Okay, this is the, here is the title bar, here you can see the document, here is the status bar. It tells you what is the status of the documents, how many words you have typed, and which page is it. This is the zoom control. You can zoom inside and you can zoom out also. Okay, here if you see, you can see the vertical scroll bar, and here you can see the scroll bar which is horizontal. Okay, you can find it if you zoom inside, you can find out the horizontal scroll bar also. See, where is the dialog box launcher? There are so many dialog box launchers. This is a dialog box launcher, this is also a dialog box launcher, this is also a dialog box launcher. So many dialog box launchers. Okay, and if you see here, this is the maximize button and this is the minimize button. So all these parts are present in the Microsoft Office Word, and these all things are used when you are going to type. Okay,